Obviously, happy about the results of this conviction. We hope to bring a closure for the family of late Mrs. Bolanle Raheem, and we thank the government led by Mr. Babajide for providing the enabling environment for being able to see this prosecution through. And we also thank the police for their cooperation, and of course I thank all my team members for their industry, and more especially the Solicitor General Permanent Secretary Shitabe, who had also appeared on this case on number of occasions. Thank you so much. When you have a judgment in the court, there's opportunity for you. This is not the final case. There's the primary, there's the quarter-final, there's the semi, and there's the final. So when we read the judgment, this will not step. That also here, when she said, when I asked a copy of the judgment, and Milord said to those who want to move forward, it's not yet over. I haven't said so. I said, when I read the judgment, I'll know what next step to take. He has a right to appeal, so we can decide what's taken up or not. Do you have any regrets taking up this case? I don't. The Spirit of the Lord directed me, and I know He didn't direct me. I did it on pro bono. All of us must just cast aspirations, but we have one bad egg, and all of them are bad. Let's give him an opportunity. Thank you so much.
George has done exactly what she has been sworn in to do, which is the responsibility to deliver justice in good time. Justice delayed, we know, is justice denied. And in this case, justice has not been delayed, justice has not been denied, justice has been done. We're also calling on the Ministry of Justice to consider the Gafaros case, which is also a mandate of this subcommittee to ensure that justice is done. It has to be dealt with expeditiously. There has been delays and storytelling in respect of the Gafaros case, and we want that done as well. The Nigerian Bar Association is an organization that furthers, promotes, and strengthens justice for every citizen of India that has been steadfast on this matter to ensure that justice is done. Thank you. Your name again, ma'am? My name is Amiye Tamjo.
My name is Olakito Bolu Agbaje. Yes, we are the legal counsels and representatives of the Raheem family. I am from the Honorable Chambers of Mr. Femi Falana. And I have to say that today, justice has been delivered. The incident of the 25th of December 2022 would always and forever remain a tragedy to the Raheem family because it altered a lot of lives. The life of the deceased, the life of her husband, the life of her daughter, and the life of several other people that loved her. However, justice has been served. Within the period of 10 months, the Honorable Justice Harrison has been able to deliver her judgment and has been able to ensure that justice has been brought to the forefront because the accused now has been given a sentence and he has been committed to death by hanging. And we are quite we believe that this is a step to pushing the effects on the family members because at the end of the day, it cannot